The DJI Flip has been fully exposed. Thanks to our known leakers, we have all the official images, the full spec sheet, the price, and a possible release date. I'll tell you everything you need to know about it in this video. Let's get into it. Starting from the design. First of all, it will weigh less than 249 grams, and it will feature a new folding mechanism that works like this. The propellers are completely contained in duct propeller guards. It's very compact when it's folded, being very convenient for traveling. The battery slides in at the top of the drone, while up front there's a LiDAR sensor, allowing obstacle avoidance in the tracking modes. Right under the sensor, there are some small LED icons indicating which smart flight mode is selected. In fact, this drone is right in between the Neo and the Mini series, being able to fly autonomously with smart flight modes and active tracking, but it's also suitable for some cinematic shooting thanks to the 2-axis gimbal. Speaking about the camera, the Flip will be equipped with a 1-on-1.3 inches sensor, capable of recording at up to 4K 60. The drone will be able to fly for 31 minutes, and as already, it will feature AI subject tracking like the Neo. On top of that, according to new reports, the drone will also be able to fly FPV with the Goggles 3 or N3. The DJI Flip will be available in different versions, both with the RC-N3 and RC2 controllers, and with the Fly More combo kit, which includes a battery hub, 2 extra batteries, and a carrying case. The drone will be priced at €439 for the standard combo with RC-N3. We can expect prices above €500 for the versions with the RC2 controller. And considering the amount of images and information we have, in my opinion, it could even be released in January 2025. But nothing is confirmed for now, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss any update on tech and drone leaks.